We are pleased to show you the 2019 Golf Alltrack. The Volkswagen Golf Alltrack is a well-refined wagon that comes equipped with high-end features throughout. Advanced technology, fantastic handling, and powerful yet smooth engine make this the perfect choice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.